Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a new program which is launched by OpenAI, which is also called as ChatGPT. So they have this program called as Student Collective. So if you do want to get a sponsorship from OpenAI and directly work at their campus, you will also get money for doing that as well. So this is their program, OpenAI Student Collective. You can fill out this simple form. The registrations are open. Simply type OpenAI Student Collective. So this program, they are running this at the moment, and the registrations are open. So if you directly type this, their official website will come. So this is open for all students, all university going students, college going students. If you are applying this, you can register your interest by clicking this button. So they have actually tell this about this. You can read more about it. You can attend workshops, study studio hours, directly attend their conferences. You will also get a active ChatGPT subscription and Codex credits as well for the duration of the program. Funding, credits, everything you will get. You will also get training resources, guidance at the latest OpenAI tools and technology, access to the OpenAI team and a global network of campus leads, and a cash stipend. This is very important. A cash prize will also be given to you each semester in recognition of your time and leadership. So cash prizes will also be given, guys, in each semester. So these are some of the students that I applied it and told it about it. And the application is quite simple. How to apply this: you click the apply button, give the first name, last name. So this information needs to be correct. So this will be exactly your correct first name and last name in, as you will be providing documents. Then you simply provide your email address, select the location, age. So select your age. If you are 25 plus, you select that which country your university college belong to. From here you select your country, and what is your phone or WhatsApp number, including country code and area code. Which university college do you attend? So from here you select what's your education status. Select this. What are you expected to finish? So right here you specify the time period in which describes your area of study. Right here you need to study, specify your course, field, or program. So just fill out all these questions, guys. These are a very big form. LinkedIn profile, social profile. Simply after you submit all this, click the submit button. And if you are lucky, then they will actually send out an email that you are selected for this, and you can attend their sponsorships. Directly you can work at their office and also get cash prizes as well at OpenAI. And you will also get an active ChatGPT subscription, Codex credits as well, as I already told you. So just type OpenAI Student Collective and go to this page and directly see the things that they have told, and just fill out this form. Just fill out this application and then you will be selected, and they will send out a message to you. So you can also join their newsletter as well by simply subscribing it. Simply provide the email address, and future offers, future discount coupons will already be, you will be notified. So definitely check this out.